Now, as several hospitals in the national capital struggle to get their oxygen supply, an image of oxygen concentrators lying with the Customs Department awaiting clearance caused some flutter across the country. Amid speculations of 3,000 concentrators stuck due to no clearance by the Customs Department, the High Court pulled up the centre, asking to apprise the court about the number of oxygen concentrators awaiting customs clearance. In fact, the Finance Ministry, however, clarified that no such consignment of oxygen concentrators is awaiting clearance at the Customs Department. Meanwhile, Oxygen Express train carrying 205 metric tons of oxygen is all set to arrive in the national capital today. Delhi's daily oxygen requirement is of 976 metric tons. The centre has now increased the oxygen allocation to Delhi from 480 metric tons to 590 metric tons. Here we're looking at some confusion even now at this moment where Delhi is really struggling to get oxygen supplies, immediate oxygen supply. Here images coming in from the Customs Department where several oxygen concentrators are still kept there at the Customs Department awaiting clearance, while the Finance Ministry has clarified that there's no such stock at the Customs Department. Here's the Delhi officials who claim that the concentrators, oxygen concentrators, has still not reached them. It's not reached the hospitals that are currently in dire need. Remember, Delhi is now looking at least 900 odd metric ton of oxygen supply on a daily basis, but they're getting only 590 metric ton. Let's quickly cut across. Ankit Tyagi bringing us some more from the ground.
These massive serpentine queues with people standing with empty oxygen cylinders, waiting for them to be refilled so that they can rush back home and save the life of somebody, their loved one who is struggling because of COVID-19, have now become a common sight. I mean, you'll see these kind of, lines and these kind of massive gathering outside every refilling plant, not only in Delhi, but in the entire NCR region. I'm right now in Manesar industrial area in Gurugram. And this is one filling station where people have been waiting. Most of them have been waiting for since morning from 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Somebody came at 10 o'clock, but have not yet got the oxygen. Other problem that people here are facing is that, and this is the first time that I have seen this, at least in the NCR region, at this filling station in the Manesar industrial area, you will only get oxygen if you are a resident of Gurugram, you have residence proof, and your patient is admitted in a hospital or is in home isolation in Gurugram only. If you are from Delhi, Faridabad or any other place, you will not get a refill. That, ladies and gentlemen, is creating a lot of problems. आप कब से खड़े हुए हैं भाई साहब यहाँ?
सर मैं 9-8 बजे से खड़ा हूँ यहाँ सुबह से। हाँ। लेकिन वही है कि कुछ गए अंदर और उसके बाद जो हम लोग वही लाइन में खड़े हैं अभी तक। उसके बाद अभी पता चल रहा है कि गैस भी नहीं है। और दूसरी बात क्या है कि जो 2-4 बंदे जो वापसी आए हैं उनको बोला जा रहा है कि जो दिल्ली की आधार कार्ड है और आईडी प्रूफ जो भी है दिल्ली वाले को मिलेगा नहीं, सिर्फ गुड़गांव
क्या पेपर लेके खड़े हुए हो?
मैं अपने वो कोरोना पॉजिटिव का रिपोर्ट लेके खड़ा हूँ। आधार कार्ड दिल्ली का है हमारा, ये आधार कार्ड लेके खड़ा हूँ। डॉक्टर में का जो प्रिस्क्रिप्शन
दिल्ली से आप सीधे यहाँ पर आए या वहाँ कोशिश करी आपने?
नहीं सर, मैं मोहन कोऑपरेटिव जो है, मैं 1 तारीख को 10 बजे रात में जाके लाइन लगा हुआ था। मैं 1 तारीख को 10 बजे रात में लगा लाइन, उसके बाद जो है पूरी रात लाइन में रहा। सुबह को एसडीएम आया 5 बजे सुबह, उसने बोला कि ये 9 बजे लाइन खुलेगी, 9 बजे अंदर किया जाएगा सुबह दिन में 2 तारीख को।
दिल्ली में आपने कई जगह पे करा, वहाँ पे मिल नहीं पाई आपको?
नहीं मिला सर, पूरा रात भी खड़ा रहा, दिन भी खड़ा रहा और शाम को एसडीएम आया, बोल दिया कि गैस
वहाँ से नहीं मिला, तो इस वजह से आप यहाँ पर आए। अब यहाँ बता रहे हैं कि दिल्ली वालों को नहीं मिलेगा।
हाँ, दिल्ली वाले को
आप कहाँ से भैया?
मैं सर यहाँ गुड़गांव से हूँ। कल मैं 3 बजे से लाइन में लगा हूँ और जब मेरा यहाँ तक नंबर आया तो बोल रहे हैं 9 बजे रात की गैस नहीं है। फिर मैं सुबह आके 6 बजे लाइन में लगा, अंदर पहुंचा, वहाँ गेट तक बोल रहे हैं गैस खत्म हो गई।
आपके कौन है?
हमारे भाई है और भाभी दोनों एडमिट हैं हॉस्पिटल में।
हॉस्पिटल में भी ऑक्सीजन नहीं है?
हॉस्पिटल वाले बोल रहे हैं अपनी ऑक्सीजन लेकर के आओ,
अपनी खुद ऑक्सीजन
खुद ऑक्सीजन लेकर
आपके
पेशेंट को लेके जाओ।
आपके जो भाई हैं वो गुड़गांव में हॉस्पिटल में है?
जी, गुड़गांव हॉस्पिटल में है।
तो इस वजह से आपको मतलब यहाँ पे जाने देते हैं, लेकिन ऑक्सीजन बोलते हैं खत्म हो गया।
ऑक्सीजन खत्म हो गई।
मैं सुबह 7 बजे से खड़े हुए हैं, कहीं भी दिल्ली में कहीं भी नहीं मिले, सारे जगह घूम घाम करके कोई बोला मानेसर में मिलता है, यहाँ आए सुबह 7 बजे से और बैठे हुए हैं 4 बजे बोल रहे गैस खत्म का, फिर कह रहे दिल्ली वाले का जो पेपर है उससे कोई काम नहीं होगा।
Are you also standing for oxygen here? आप भी खड़े हुए?
कल 3 बजे से हूँ।
Yesterday 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
या आई एम स्टैंडिंग फ्रॉम यस्टरडे। अभी वहाँ पे मेरा 7वां नंबर है, गैस खत्म हो गई।
अच्छा, आपका सिलेंडर अंदर है?
अंदर है सिलेंडर,
बट गैस खत्म हो गया?
गैस खत्म हो गई।
Are you a local resident?
लोकल रेजिडेंट
From Gurgaon?
गुड़गांव।
What do you, I mean, who's there in your house who's COVID
My
positive?
sister is with saturation level is at 63. She is now battling with life.
और आप यहाँ पे वेट कर रहे हैं, मजबूर
कर रहा
हैं।
हूँ।
हॉस्पिटल का बेड नहीं मिल पा रहा कहीं?
नहीं, कहीं बैठ नहीं मिल पा रहा। They are saying you have to come up with your oxygen. Pathetic situation. It's the worst I have never seen in my life or never seen in India. Deplorable situation.
You know, there is, I don't know what is it that you can say to people like this. कब आप भी ऑक्सीजन के लिए खड़े हो? कब से?
कल रात से
नहीं मिला अभी तक?
नहीं मिला। अगर आज ऑक्सीजन नहीं मिला तो फांसी लगा के मरूंगा यहीं पे। बहुत ज़्यादा सीरियस है हमारा पेशेंट।
कहाँ पर है? दिल्ली में, गुड़गांव में?
गुड़गांव में।
Let me quickly cut across to Anisha Mathur joining us live. More details. Anisha, still a lot of confusion whether those oxygen concentrators that were at the Customs Department have been cleared or not. And what's the situation with Delhi hospitals? Are they still begging for oxygen supplies?
Well, Nabila, overnight we've seen several hospitals once again taking to social media and asking for help for oxygen. Yesterday, even the Spinal Injuries Institute in Delhi has out a tweet saying that they only had a few minutes worth of oxygen left. Every single day we've been seeing this kind of SOS tweets coming out on social media, on WhatsApp. Hospitals are trying their best to source it. Now, one ray of hope has come in. At least Max Hospital has announced late last night that they got one oxygen generator from France that was sent from France through some NGOs and government coordination. However, most other hospitals in the city continue to struggle. And when we look at the smaller hospitals, the nursing homes and the smaller hospitals with less than 100 beds capacity, they are in even more trouble because they depend not on the liquid medical oxygen or on the generators, they depend on the oxygen cylinders. And as cylinders and oxygen concentrators remain a scarce commodity, even though the center has said that we've received supplies from various countries, from the US, from EU, from even from Singapore, from other countries, help is coming in. Most of the hospitals can say that they haven't received that aid yet. And this is not just the situation in Delhi. In all states that we are seeing similar stories repeating, not just in Delhi NCR, but across the country, that people are still waiting for oxygen, for concentrators, for cylinders. And even though the government has said that there is a national plan, that they are working on it, the question is, when will this work actually bear fruit?
Absolutely, Anisha. Thank you very much for joining us with those details. In fact, we do know that there's help coming in from all quarters. Unfortunately, it isn't reaching the place in time.